Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the logo and favicon of your agency account in GoHighLevel. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your GoHighLevel credentials. This ensures you have access to all the customization features available for your agency account. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Look for the settings option and click on it. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your agency account. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. From this menu, locate and click on Company. This section is specifically designed to manage your agency's branding and appearance, making it the perfect place to customize how your account looks to both you and your clients. Now, at the top of the company settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled White Label. This is the key section where you can personalize your agency's branding elements, including your logo and favicon, to match your business identity. Within the White Label section, you'll see an option for logo. This is where you can upload your custom agency logo that will appear throughout your GoHighLevel account. To begin uploading, click the Upload Logo button. This will open your computer's file browser. Browse through your files and locate the logo image you want to use for your agency. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it and then click Open. The system will begin uploading your logo file and you'll see a preview once it's successfully uploaded. After the upload completes, make sure to click Save Changes to apply your new logo. This ensures your logo is stored and displayed across your agency account. Next, you'll need to scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Custom.js. This is where you'll add your favicon code, which controls the small icon that appears in browser tabs when someone accesses your GoHighLevel account. The favicon is an important branding element that helps users quickly identify your agency's tab among many others. In the Custom.js field, you'll need to input your favicon code. If you have an example code ready, you can copy it and modify the parts that need to be customized for your specific favicon. This typically includes the file path or URL pointing to your favicon image. Once you've prepared your code, paste it directly into the Custom.js field. After pasting your favicon code, click Save Changes once more. This finalizes the process and ensures both your new logo and favicon are now active on your agency account. And that's it. You've successfully customized both the logo and favicon for your GoHighLevel agency account, giving your workspace a professional, branded appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.